You're about to watch what you should and should not do while cooking and preparing food. Rule number 1, always have the right tool for the job. This is not right at all. Oh, this is my favorite TV show over here in this corner. Oh no, I wasn't paying attention. I cut my fingers off. Oh no, my heavy jacket and hat obstructed my view. I just caught on fire. Always shut cupboards when done using. Otherwise, you could be down here cooking and all of a sudden, ow, my head. I reached really high for this pan. Ow, that hurt. I should have kept that stored down low. Always keep your working area cleaned and organized. Otherwise, you might not be able to find anything. Right now, I'm breaking 3 rules. 1 is never wear unstable shoes while cooking. And 2 is never be on an unstable chair or one manhood. Oh no, I'm reaching up high on this unstable chair.